Regarding the systemic autoinflammatory diseases, I would like to focus particularly on monogenic forms of SAIDs. In 2022, we know well characterized more than 45 systemic autoinflammatory diseases, and there is also a large spectrum of genetically undiagnosed systemic autoinflammatory diseases, such as Still disease, Kawasaki disease, recurrent pericarditis, and other. And Immunate projects is designed also to somehow identify possible pathogenic causes, pathogenic mechanisms of these yet genetically undiagnosed systemic autoinflammatory diseases. In the next part of my presentation, I would like to focus a little bit on pathogenic mechanisms. I believe that the general understanding on pathogenic mechanisms gives us much better insider's view on the clinical phenotypes and in particular targeted therapy of this group of diseases. So I would focus a little bit more on inflammasome-mediated autoinflammatory diseases, or so-called inflammasomopathies. And I will briefly mention also diseases of interferon production and signaling, or briefly type 1 interferonopathies, diseases of NF-kappa B signaling and TNF activity, and briefly mention also inflammatory actinopathies. But at this stage, I would like to say that autoinflammatory diseases are very heterogeneous diseases. There are also some very rare autoinflammatory diseases mediated by different miscellaneous mechanisms that I will not focus in this presentation.